Nature and capitalism are aligned in this really interesting way that most people don't talk about, which is that you have to contribute more than you extract. And so the way I think about that, the way that manifests in practical ways is that you don't approach business relationships and business transactions in the way that is represented by movies like Wall Street. That's not really how this works. Like you're not really trying to be the greedy CEO who just tries to get as much money for him or herself as possible.